Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you wouldn't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, laurafordesvideos too. So be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a spiced tea blend. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to go over the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our spiced tea. So we're going to be using 2 green cardamoms. We're going to be using 2 cloves. You can use as much as 4, but I'm just going to be using 2. We're going to be using a tea bag. I'm using an Earl Grey tea bag. We're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. So we're going to be using a few pieces of cinnamon sticks. Okay, so let's get started in heating up our water to make our tea. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is we need to crush all our spices. So I'm going to be using a spice grinder here. So we're going to be putting in our cinnamon stick. We're going to be putting in our cardamom, fennel seeds, and clove. Now let's grind this. Alright, so our spices are nicely ground. Okay, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. And now I'm going to add in my spices into the water. Okay, I'm going to leave the spices in the water here to heat up for about 2 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, so now that our spices have been boiling for about 2 minutes now, I have to be using my hand to fan away the steam. We're now going to turn our heat down. Actually, we're going to turn off our heat. And we're now going to add in our tea bag. And we're going to leave this now to steep for 5 minutes. All right, so our tea has been steeping now for about 5 minutes. So now we are going to pour it into our teacup. So you will sweeten according to taste, and you will put your milk according to your preference. So I'm going to add some evaporated milk. I'm going to add some sugar. And now I'm going to add in my spiced tea. So there you have it, folks, our delicious spiced tea. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share it with family and friends, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Oh yeah, that's good.